This is the classic Big Muff Pi, and it was used by one of my favorite guitar players, David Gilmour. I was messing around on his gear page and I learned that he used this on two of my favorite albums, Animals and The Wall. He used it in combination with other drive pedals, gave him a really great sound, but by itself, I'm not super crazy about it. So the reason I'm not crazy about it is because of its mid-scoop sound that the pedal's famous for. The reason you're getting that mid-scoop sound is because of the tone knob circuit, or the tone stack. Now as you roll this tone knob up, you get really tinny highs. It takes away bass to simulate adding treble, and as you roll it down, you get really muddy, and it takes away treble to simulate adding bass. But you can mod the Big Muff to get all of that mid-range back, just like this one. This one's had a switch added right in between the sustain and the tone knob, so when you activate the switch, you bypass the tone stack or tone knob part of the circuit. When you do that, you get all of your mid-range back. Or you can turn your switch off and you can have that regular Big Muff scoop sound. Listen to this. Here's the normal Big Muff sound with the tone control turned up. And then here's the mod. To me, that's a great difference to have, and it makes me twice as likely to use this pedal. I've never done a pedal mod myself, but I'm told that this one's pretty easy to do. I'm going to be using the mod kit that StewMac sells with these step-by-step instructions. So it looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Hopefully I don't mess it up, but I don't think I will. First, I drill a hole for the switch I'm going to add. Then solder 4 wires to the switch. There's really not a lot of wiring to do. You unsolder the ground leg to one of the capacitors on the circuit board and do the same to one of the resistors. You'll add some heat shrink that comes with the kit. Then you attach the 4 wires from the switch, put it back together, and let's give it a test.